Explore the synergy between structured logging and exception handling in Python. We'll delve into foundational concepts, hybrid patterns, advanced strategies, and production practices to enhance error management in Python applications. Understanding the relationship between logging and exception handling is crucial in Python's error ecosystem. Logging provides context, while exceptions manage control flow. Integrating these enhances observability, offering insights into application state and user context. Core techniques include context managers, decorators, and custom exception hierarchies, essential for robust error management in production environments. Traditional exception handling often misses critical context, losing valuable insights into application state during errors. Stack traces show what broke, but not why. In distributed systems, this creates blind spots. Hybrid handling merges exception control with structured logging, capturing rich diagnostic data, preserving application state, user context, and intermediate values, enhancing observability and debugging. Silent failures occur when exceptions are caught but not logged, leading to zero visibility into errors. This anti-pattern is prevalent in legacy systems, creating a false sense of security while concealing critical issues. Without logging, identifying affected users or problematic data becomes impossible, severely impacting debugging and data integrity. Log then raise pattern enhances error visibility by logging detailed context before re-raising exceptions. It captures full traceback with xc info true and retains business context using extra. This approach ensures that when a value error occurs, you have comprehensive information for debugging, maintaining data integrity, and improving user experience. The log and transform pattern enhances error handling by converting low-level exceptions into domain-specific errors, like data processing error. It logs technical details, preserving the original exception chain with from E. This approach ensures cleaner error management at higher levels, providing clarity and context for debugging. Structured logging transforms traditional string-based logs into machine-readable JSON, enhancing data aggregation and analysis. Using libraries like StructLog, logs include consistent fields, enabling precise tracking. For instance, in payment processing, successful transactions log order ID, amount, and transaction ID, while failures capture error codes, ensuring comprehensive error handling and insightful data analysis. Context managers streamline logging by encapsulating boilerplate code, ensuring consistent entry and exit logs for operations. They automatically capture exceptions, as seen in the user registration example, where both account creation and email sending are logged. This pattern ensures critical operations are never missed in logs, enhancing reliability and traceability. The decorator pattern enhances logging by wrapping functions, ensuring error capture without altering core logic. Use it for external application programming interface calls, database operations, and critical business logic. This approach maintains transparency and consistency, logging successes and failures while preserving function integrity. Custom exception hierarchies enhance error handling by embedding logging within exceptions. The base class, application error, logs errors with context. Derived classes like validation error and database error specify error types. For instance, validation error logs input validation issues, providing details like user ID and validation rules, ensuring comprehensive error tracking and debugging. Logging levels are crucial for effective monitoring. Debug provides detailed diagnostics for development, while info confirms expected behaviors. Warning signals unexpected but recoverable issues. Error indicates serious problems affecting functionality, and critical highlights system-threatening failures needing immediate attention. Each level serves a strategic purpose in maintaining system integrity and performance. Implementing retry with exponential backoff enhances reliability in distributed systems. The pattern retries failed operations, increasing wait time exponentially. This approach uses a decorator to wrap functions, logging each attempt. If maximum attempts are reached, an error is logged. This method is crucial for handling transient failures in microservices, ensuring robust and resilient operations. In microservices, a single request can trigger multiple services, complicating traceability. By using correlation IDs, we can track a request's journey across services. Implementing this involves generating a unique ID with UID and storing it in a context var. A contextual logger then logs messages with this ID, ensuring every log entry is traceable. Utilize the Measure and Log Context Manager to capture performance data and exceptions. It records operation duration and success status, offering insights into slow operations that affect user experience. This approach ensures comprehensive logging, aiding in performance optimization and error tracking. Sensitive data like passwords, API keys, and personal identifiers must never be logged. Use sanitization strategies to redact such information, ensuring compliance with regulations like General Data Protection Regulation, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, and Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard. Violations can lead to severe penalties. Implement functions like Sanitize Context to automatically mask sensitive data in logs, safeguarding user privacy and maintaining legal compliance. Exception groups in Python 3.11 Plus enable handling multiple exceptions collectively. In batch processing, errors are logged with context, and an exception group is raised if failures occur. This allows for specific handling of exceptions like value error or IO error, enhancing error management and logging precision in complex operations. In async, await context, logging is crucial for tracking operations. Use structured logging to capture context in parallel tasks. For instance, when fetching user data, log each step and handle exceptions like asyncio.timeout_error. With Python 3.11 Plus, task groups allow managing multiple tasks, ensuring exceptions are logged within each coroutine. Use asyncio.gather, return our exceptions. True, to collect results and failures efficiently. In development, use console output with debug level for verbose context and pretty formatting. Staging requires file and console logging at info level with structured JSON and sample-sensitive data. For production, centralized logging at warning level ensures full sanitization with log rotation and retention. Configure using log config for streamlined management across environments. Integrating monitoring tools enhances application reliability. Sentry offers automatic error grouping, stack traces, and release tracking for Python apps. Datadog provides centralized log aggregation, enabling powerful querying and correlation with application performance monitoring data. The Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana stack supports full-text search and visualization of structured logs at scale, ensuring comprehensive insights into application performance. In an e-commerce checkout, logging is crucial. The checkout service class uses structured logging to track each step. It logs when checkout starts, validates the cart, processes payments, and completes orders. Errors like validation or payment failures are logged with appropriate severity, ensuring issues are traceable and manageable. Testing your logging strategy is crucial. Use PyTest's caplog to capture logs, ensuring error logs are correctly recorded. Verify log levels align with exception severity and that correlation IDs propagate. Validate structured log formats and sanitize sensitive data. Mock external logging services to ensure your logging infrastructure is robust and reliable. Avoid excessive debug logs in production to reduce noise and costs. Ensure logs include relevant IDs and timestamps for context. Maintain consistent formatting to facilitate parsing. Preserve the exception chain for effective debugging. Optimize performance by using lazy evaluation in logging, avoiding costly string operations in critical paths. Optimize logging performance by using lazy evaluation. Format strings only when debug is enabled. For high-throughput applications, implement async logging with QHandler to prevent blocking. Benchmark logging overhead in critical sections, as even microseconds add up. Efficient logging ensures minimal impact on application performance while maintaining necessary insights. Establish clear code review standards for logging, ensuring guidelines on when to log, appropriate levels, and context inclusion. Document your logging strategy, including naming conventions and patterns, to aid new team members. Set up alerts for error and critical logs, and review warning logs weekly. Postmortems should assess log sufficiency, using gaps to enhance logging instrumentation. Combine structured logging with exception handling for better production visibility. Never catch exceptions silently, always log with context. Use context managers and decorators to ensure reusable logging patterns. Implement correlation IDs for tracking requests across distributed systems. Test your logging infrastructure like any critical system component to verify log levels and formats.